If you go to arcantech.weebly.com to the Resources tab, and then move to the 2016-17 school year, you might want to get a refresher on the order of operations in spreadsheets. On slide 21 is a review of the order of operations. Students sometimes have trouble with formulas. A spreadsheet will always give you an answer, but it may not give you the correct answer. The order of operations that students learn in grammar school mathematics are the same order of operations that spreadsheets use. Some people remember the phrase, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." Others use PEDMOS or sometimes PEMDAS in order to remember that whenever you have a formula, first you have to solve all the answers in parentheses, starting on the left, going to the right. Then you resolve all the exponents. Then you resolve any multiplications or divisions, whichever comes first, starting at the left, going to the right. And then finally, the addition and subtraction going from the left to the right, whichever comes first. We have an example spreadsheet, and I have a series of number stumpers, and in order to solve the number stumpers, the students create a spreadsheet with formulas. In spreadsheet number 19, you again get your own copy of a blank worksheet. The first thing we did in the workshop was a little thinking work. If I have the numbers 3, 2, 1, in the hundreds, tens, and ones columns, what kind of formula can I build that will turn those three individual digits into the number 321, not using the ampersand if you're used to the concatenation symbol? So you can pause the video for a minute if you want to think about it on your own. And this was directly related to the order of operations. Is there a special order of operations you need to do in order to build that formula? I could choose to take whatever is in C11 times 100, add to that whatever is in D11 times 10, add to that whatever is in E11. That will be 3 times 100 is 300, plus 2 times 10 is 20, plus 1. Or 300 plus 20 plus 1 is 321. Are the parentheses required? If I come back and double click, I can remove those parentheses, and if you think about the order of operations, the computer is going to first do any multiplications or divisions, starting at the left, working to the right, and then do any additions or subtractions. So it will still give you 3 times 100 first, 2 times 10 second, and then 300 plus 20 plus 1 is 321. So in this case, the order of operations isn't affected whether or not you have parentheses. I wouldn't take any points off for students if they added parentheses. And now we're going to take a look at some number stumpers. The first number, and these formulas are already built. You could have them pre-built for the students, or you can have them figure it out on their own. Our first number is an even 2-digit answer, and that's where the word even is under clue 1. The difference between the digits is 1, so you'll see here if you click, it's saying take whatever's in E2 and subtract whatever's in D2. 4 minus 3 is 1. And the third clue is when the two digits are multiplied, the product is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. If I tried 43, the difference is still 1, and you can explain to the students it doesn't matter if there's a minus sign in front of the number or not, there's still 1 digit apart. 4 times 3 is still 12. It fails clue 1. 43 is an odd number, and so the only answer that works with all three conditions is the number 34. So you have a series of number stumpers that are in the PEDMOS Google Doc, so feel free to give them a try. Once you try them on your own, if any of them really stump you, the teacher's answer key is on this tab.